Let's do the Siren eyeliner look on hooded eyes. Height line on top and do it on the bottom. Use your lower lash line as a guide and then mark where you want your liner to end. Pulling down towards the lid makes you not fight the hood. There will be a gap, but we'll fill that in and pull in as if you were gonna do the Batwing liner. And then lift up your eye and fill all this in. I like to take it over just slightly right here so it has a fade from thick to thin. To get the wing very pointy, apply very minimal pressure and just drag it on out. And then start dragging this underneath. When you're doing this eyeliner technique, and when you're doing eyeliner on hooded eyes in general, use all the real estate you have underneath the eye. When we're doing the inner corner of the eye, I want you to take the point of your angle and make sure that's facing the inner part of your nose. And then just like we did the tail where we go from where we want it to end and pull forward, we're gonna do the same thing in the inner corner, keeping our eyes open. And then dragging underneath the lower lash line. And do know the inner corner is challenging, so be patient with yourself. You're gonna get this. You just gotta practice if it's your first time. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look, and if you're new here, give me a follow for more makeup education.